Nita Strauss, formerly of Alice Cooper, also an instrumentalist, soloist, and overall badass guitarist.
That's where that name was familiar from.
Yes.
Cooper.
She played with Alice Cooper. She left Alice Cooper to go play with, God, I can't even remember who it was now. It's like Katy Perry or...
Pop singer?
It was a pop singer. And a lot of people complained, and I'm thinking, she's getting cheddar.
Yeah, she got where the money's at.
She talked to Nuno Betancourt, and he's like, hey, that Rihanna check clears.
Yeah.
You go play for Miley Cyrus or whoever it is you want to play for. You do that. You ask Jason Hook about that. He'll tell you all about it too. Session work for those pop stars pays well. But she went solo and apparently went out and contacted Allyssa White-Gluz on my top 5 hottest metal vocalists in metal.
If you haven't seen those videos, scroll down through our catalog. They're there.
They're worth checking out. The Wolf You Feed, featuring Allyssa. This is Nita Strauss. Let's do this. I like it already. This is tough as hell. I hope they don't make me blur this video. You're getting to sing. That sounds disturbed. Throwing it back to the like 80s hair band solo. Hardcore. You can do that. Go back to the Disturbed.
I just need her and Tasha to do something together.
Kiss.
God.
You know you were thinking it.
I was not.
You were thinking it. You know you were. Allyssa made that top 5 for show. That is a beautiful woman, and I am a sucker for a bridesmaid. They put her in that little bridesmaid outfit.
God dang.
That was great. Guitar was spot on. Her solo reminded me of like Vito Bratta from White Lion, and that dude is way underrated. Way underrated. She reminded me a lot of him in that solo, so that's a compliment. So if you're watching Nita, compliment. And wasn't Nita Strauss in the Iron Maidens, now that I think about it?
Wasn't she?
I think that by looking at the outfit she was wearing,
I think so.
it reminded me of the Iron Maidens. So she may very well have been one of the Iron Maidens. It's been so long, I forgot. But don't hold me to it, but I believe she was.
I'll back you up real fast. Just because I'm curious.
We got to Google people.
The Google.
We can do that. Because we high tech up in here.
She went to guitar person for Demi Lovato.
She got that Demi Lovato check. And I bet you it cleared.
Yeah, now she's not in music anymore.
No, she's doing solo stuff. Oh, Demi?
Yeah.
Yeah, Demi's gone. Yeah, pour one out for Demi.
Please don't.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Wikipedia.
She was in the Iron Maidens. I remember them well. Every male metal fan remembers the Iron Maidens. Rest their soul. I liked it. Great song. Well done by Allyssa.
It was good. I didn't know she could sing like that.
It's been a while. I mean, when she was in The Agonist, that's where she first caught my attention. She could really do the lows and really do the highs. She's got a great voice. But she kind of got up there on this one, so good for her. I'm sure she was looking for a way to
show off.
Yeah, that outlet she needs. But hell, she's like Jamie Josta lately. I'm seeing all kind of stuff featuring her.
Yeah.
So she's pulling the Jamie Josta, talking about what y'all got going. I sing in it. So,
cool. Let me in on it.
Yeah. It works for Josta. It works for Howard Jones. It can work for Allyssa.
Yes.
Get in the comments and let us know what you thought of the new Nita Strauss. Were you as impressed as I was? What do you think of Allyssa? And who else does she have, you know, if anybody knows, who else is going to guest on her album to do vocals? Because that was a good choice. And if she can pull Randy from Lamb of God.
Ooh.
Just by getting Randy, Jamie's going to be calling up, so he'll be on there. So you'll have Jamie, and then probably Howard Jones. You know, there's a lot of people she could probably pull to do this album. But I like her doing Allyssa. So if you know of anybody else that's expected to be on her album, get in the comments and let us know, because we'll probably be reacting to that too. Because I really enjoyed this.
Yes.
Like, share,
subscribe.
So do the thing.
Do the thing.
And until the next time, guys, as always. Come at me, bro.